Did you know that winter vegetables are packed with essential nutrients that can boost your health during the chilly season? Vegetables like Brussels sprouts, kale, and carrots are high in vitamins A and C, which are crucial for a strong immune system. Did you know that sweet potatoes are not only a winter staple, but also a great source of fiber, promoting digestive health? Incorporating these veggies into your meals is easy. Try roasting Brussels sprouts with a touch of olive oil and sea salt for a crispy side dish. Did you know that butternut squash is rich in antioxidants that can help fight off free radicals? Blend it into a creamy soup or bake it with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a hearty winter meal. Did you know that beets can enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use? Toss them in a salad or roast them alongside your favorite protein for a nutritious and delicious meal. Embrace the winter season by adding these nutritional powerhouses to your diet. Your body will thank you with a boost of energy and improved wellness, all while enjoying tasty and comforting meals.